Hey guys, before we get into this video, I just want to say thank you for 100 subscribers. It really does mean a lot and it's really cool to see the channel grow the way it's growing. I also really appreciate all the nice comments. I do read all of them and I try my best to reply to them as soon as I can. So thank you so much. This video is going to be slightly different. It's another vlog style video, but I've been experimenting with the editing and camera work to try and make it as interesting as possible. If you enjoy it, then any support would be hugely appreciated. Leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what you thought about the whole video and how you found it. Anyway, that's enough waffling from me. Let's get straight into the video. Up leaving the house really early and we went all the way to Kent because we had to go to the car dealership for my dad's car. He needed to get something repaired and so we had to drop it off there and let them do whatever they needed to do. Because of this, we had a lot of time to spare and so we just ended up walking around. The area we were at was really nice and so that, along with the weather, made it a perfect opportunity to just get some fresh air. We also went to a few different shops that were nearby and just walked around and found different ways to just kill time while we waited for them to be done with the car. It did take a lot longer than we expected and so we decided to get something to eat in the meantime, and then eventually the dealership called up my dad and said that we were allowed to pick up the car. Once we were done at the dealership, on our way home we quickly dropped by my aunt's house to pay her a quick visit for a few minutes, and then once we got home I basically put down the camera, just ate something and then got ready to go out again for some fresh air and to get in a quick workout. I genuinely enjoy going to the gym a lot and I feel like that's the main reason why even after a long day I can still get myself to get out of the house and get to the gym. Also, with exams and everything over, I feel like it's such a perfect way to pass a bit of time and I would genuinely recommend it to everyone. I feel like working out is a really good way to lift your mood and just let out any stress from the day. I even find just a walk to the gym is really enjoyable. I usually slap on a podcast and just listen to it on my journey. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't listen to anything informative. I really wish I did, but I just listen to podcasts on things I enjoy, either by YouTubers I really like to watch or even on topics that I'm really fascinated by, like Formula 1. When I go to the gym, I follow a push-pull legs workout routine, and so today was my leg day. I didn't really film much at the gym. One, because I'm still learning to be a bit more comfortable with recording in public, and two, it was just out of respect for everyone there. I'm pretty sure if everyone was working out, they wouldn't appreciate someone filming, and also just because I wanted to focus on the workout rather than worrying about what to film. Maybe in the future, if I ever do any more vlogs and the gym is a little less packed, I might try and film a few things, but for now I just chose not to. Gotta love British weather. It was sunny in the morning and now it's raining. Typical. Now unfortunately when I got home I had a really bad tummy ache, so I ended up not recording anything else. So this is the end of the video now. If you did enjoy it or found it entertaining, please like, subscribe, you know what to do, and let me know what you thought and how you felt about the editing. I really want some feedback on this, so don't feel shy to let me know what you thought. Once again, thanks for watching and stay tuned for a new video next week.